Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing very well. Let us begin with the next prose of Vistas class 12th CBSE English, and that is Journey to the End of the Earth. Okay, so let us understand what is this all about and why is the uh, prose named as Journey to the End of the Earth. Okay, this has been written by Tishani Joshi. So the narrator went on a trip to Antarctica with a program with a group of students called Student on Ice, which gives the students an opportunity to experience and to have a first-hand knowledge to understand how climatic changes can pose to be the biggest threat to human existence. Basically, how global warming is impacting us. Okay. Narrator begins by telling the minor details of the journey that she boarded a Russian research ship, the academic Shokolaske, and journey began at 13.9 degrees north of the equator in Madras, Chennai, and they had crossed 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and at least 3 ecospheres, and traveling for over 100 hours in car, airplane, and ship, they finally reached Antarctica. Okay. After reaching Antarctica and after keeping her first foot on Antarctica, she felt a sense of relief. It was a surreal experience. Like it was such a beautiful and experience of such a delight. Okay. 90% of the Earth's total ice volumes are stored in Antarctica. It is also known as the coldest continent, isn't it? Whether West Antarctica ice sheet will melt entirely and not the biggest question will be answered. So here it is said that if the ice starts melting here, obviously it is going to affect the entire world. Okay. The narrator states that if we want to study about Earth past, present, or future, Antarctica is the place for us to go because there is such a simple ecosystem and it has very less of biodiversity existing. It becomes the best place to understand and study how little changes in the environment can have big result. It is also warned by the scientists that a further depletion of the ozone layer will affect the lives of the sea animal and birds of the region, further also affecting the global carbon cycle. Okay, like flora, fauna, marine animals, everything is being harmed because of the depleting ozone layer. Burning of fossil fuels has created a blanket of carbon dioxide around the world, and its impact is clearly seen and it is visible through the increasing global temperature, which is melting the icebergs in Antarctica. Geoff Green, Geoff Green, who was head of the Student on Ice program, believes that these high school students who are on the trip are the future and they are the policy makers. Okay, as they will help in saving the earth from ecological dangers and effects of global warming. Unlike the retired celebrities means this particular Canadian, Geoff Green, he has made several people travel through ships to Antarctica and they cared very little to take steps. But these young children are the policymakers. Further, to study the impact of global warming, narrator gives the example of microscopic plant, that is phytoplanktons, who are single-celled plants and they nourish the entire southern ocean's food chain. Okay, as they require sun's energy to assimilate carbon and supply oxygen, the depletion in the ozone layer can have the tendency to affect this functioning, further affecting the lives of all marine animals. In the end, just the narrator thinks about the beauty of the place and wished it to remain the same as any changes can have big consequences. So basically, we here talk about firstly the minor details that how they reached Antarctica, and even details are given that how there was a time when world was joined together known as Panthalassa Pangea, how they separated into Gondwana land, Laurasia, and how Laurasian Gondwana land further broke into several continents and Antarctica came into the most at the bottom of the earth. Okay, and it has become the coldest continent, and why this is the best place to study present, past, and future. All right. Further Tishani wants to say that Antarctica is so very beautiful, so surreal that she does not want the environment to change at all, but the ozone layer depletion will surely hamper this beautiful scenery and the beautiful balance and maintaining of the life on earth. Okay, so this ozone depletion, this pollution, these practices of human beings should stop. Okay, like human life is just a fragment of entire history and entire geological history, yet we see that humans have dominated over the nature. So this thing should be stopped. We should try to make a sustainable development program and should work and contribute towards the betterment of our environment. Okay, we all can at our own level, we all can take steps, isn't it? So this is all about this particular story, Journey to the End of the Earth. Important question of this particular story will be uploaded on my channel through a shorts video. You can look into that, and we will meet with next chapter of Vistas. Till then, do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more content like this. Till then, have a nice day guys. Bye bye. All the best to all of you.